Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And welcome back to another cloudy day in Scotland. This is rubbish. So no, we've not quite finished the RS yet, but I couldn't wait to show you the new rebuild for the channel. And the RS is nearly finished. It just needs its ceramic coat and then it'll be good to go. But I know you guys probably didn't click on this video to see this car. So let's do a quick walk around to this one and then I'll show you the damage.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is...
How awesome does that look? This is going to be so much fun to rebuild. So just looking at the engine bay, I'd say this car's had quite a lot of work done to it. As you saw in the clip, it looks like it's got full BC coilovers, which is awesome because I thought I had them with the Mark II, but it turns out it didn't. And going by the ride height of that 20-inch wheel, I'm going to say it's definitely got coilovers on it. So with any luck, this thing's got a lot more horsepower than a standard GTR, and a standard GTR has still got a lot of horsepower. But before we can get to the horsepower and finding out exactly how much it's got when we get on the road, we do have to fix a really small bit of damage first. When I say a small bit of damage, I actually mean quite a significant amount of damage. But it should be okay, because I think I can fix it. And if I can't, I definitely know a few people that can. So if we ignore the obvious stuff, if you look at the exhaust on this side, look how flush it is with the bumper. And although arguably this side is still flush with the bumper, that's only really because the bumper's not where it's meant to be. The bumper's meant to be out here. So we're going to need a new exhaust system, that's for sure. Absolutely going to need a new rear quarter, bumper. I'm not 100% convinced yet about the boot lid and the spoiler. Hopefully we can save them, but I'm not holding out much hope. Going to need new tail lights, because they're all cracked as well. But I think for this episode, what we need to do, let's get the interior disinfected, because it's just come from auction. I don't know where it's been, and I want to make sure that I'm safe when I'm working on it. So let's crack on.
You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me.
Right, so now the interior is disinfected, and I obviously can't put the car in the garage because the Focus isn't quite ready to come and sit outside yet. I've got a couple of things that I want to do to this car, that I've wanted to do to this car since I saw it at auction. And the first one would be take the window tinting off of the headlights. And the second one is remove the sun strip and the window tinting on the windscreen. Because when you're 6.5 feet tall, you can't really see much out of a windscreen that's got that big a sun strip on it. My goodness, that looks so much better than that tinted glass. Just a shame it takes so long to do. Ah, thanks YouTube. Right, well now that's done, do you fancy helping me remove all the window tinting off the windscreen in these windows too? No? Alright then, I'll do it myself. That is so much better. And as you may have noticed, this wee bit fell off. But it's alright, because it's just clipped onto there. Easy fix. So for those of you that have been subscribed to the channel for a while and saw me taking the vinyls off of the police car, obviously this GTR didn't come this colour from the factory. And as you can see, it is a black car underneath. So at some point in time, all of this vinyl's coming off and it's going back to black, because black cars just look awesome. So anyway, with that guys and girls, that's going to be the end of this week's episode, unfortunately. I hope you liked it, and I hope you're as excited as I am about getting stuck into this GTR build, because it's going to be awesome. So the next step for this car, once we've got the focus finished, which should be one more episode and that'll be it, is we're going to get the GTR into the garage and strip apart the whole rear end, see how bad the damage actually is, and what parts we're going to need to fix it. If you're new around here, I'd love you to click the subscribe button, watch this build unfold, and for everybody watching, if you could smash the like button, that'd be awesome as well. And as always, I hope you're keeping well and I hope you're keeping safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.